Okay, I've worked through your theoretical alignment and review design. First of all, I think this section should be before your historical, um, before this section up here, because really uh, it's a methodological thing. You're telling us how you're doing your data analysis, but of the review. And that's fine, but that comes before this section because I was confused. I'm looking at the historical background, I'm waiting to see the themes, and then all of a sudden you go back and tell us about how you are looking at the review again. I know you've done this work, but honestly, it really should be shortened. I don't think you need to have that much justification for your review. But if you want to, that's okay. But it has to go in the methodological section, not here, um, because it's not part of the literature review. It's part of your process. But you're spending a lot of a time basically saying that I think you could condense this and put it in the methodology. So it definitely needs to be moved up. That's for sure, because it doesn't fit here where I'm getting ready for the literature review, and then all of a sudden we're back into how you're looking at your review and interpreting the information. And I think you're making it more complex than it is. Uh, and so I think it could be shortened. I will leave that up to you, but um, it's unusual to have this level of reflection before the literature review. It makes sense in the methodology section when you're looking at the data, but you're almost treating the literature review as its own study, which I guess in some ways is the close article, but uh, I think it can be condensed quite a bit.